Please visit fundraisingreports.com for more tips on fundraising and fundraisers. A clothing drive fundraiser is an excellent way to earn money for your nonprofit. It's simple, it doesn't require selling, and it's good for the environment. So what is a clothing drive fundraiser? It's where your organization collects wearable clothing and shoes to sell to a textile recycler. That recycler will give you a price per pound that you agree upon ahead of time. Then it's just up to your organization to collect as much clothing and shoes as you can. The best way to do this is to actually start collecting before your date for the fundraiser. If you get all of your administration or council to agree to collect so many bags ahead of time, then the bags that you receive on that day are just icing on the cake. The trick is to try to meet your goal before the actual fundraising date. If leading up to that, you can get family and friends and coworkers, everyone you know, to give you whatever clothes they don't have, preferably in garbage bags, then you can reach your goal much faster. You also need to advertise your fundraising date. Whatever day you will be taking in collections, make sure that everyone knows about it who you can possibly get the word out to. If you can meet your goal before that actual date, whatever comes in is just extra, which is a nice surprise. For more tips on fundraising and fundraisers, visit fundraisingreports.com.